Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. 3 items today. A little bit expensive to what I like paying. This one's alright, 95 pence. It's a toy electric drill. I don't think it's actually, no, it's not working at the moment, so we'll have to put some batteries in it to see if it works. But I thought it might be a handy little source of a motor and a gearbox. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. Then we got a robot, £1.95, so a little bit more than I like to pay. 2005 WowWee Limited. Not quite sure where the batteries go in that. Looks like you've got to take all this off. So we'll have a look at that, see if he works. Mini Robo V2. And then finally, this little car, £1.25, Cancer Research. Those other two were in Blue Cross. That needs some batteries in it. But it's, from the looks of it, it just goes forwards when you turn it over, and it goes forwards that side up. But we won't really know till we put some batteries in it and find out. I thought it might be interesting just to take it apart and find out how it changes, what the gearing is. I thought it might have been electrical, but feeling that slide across, I think it might slide a gear across, so it changes direction depending on which way the gears are. So that'll be batteries in that one, and that one.